Now let's have a look at quality assurance in a semi-agile environment rather than a fully agile environment. So by a semi-agile environment I mean that there are fairly standard processes for doing the software development, but it could be more or less rigorous as the time goes through. So it's not a fixed, you must follow the procedures manual type development, but it's reasonably settled. So most organizations do have preferred software development methods made up of processes and a small selection of practices within those processes. So there's a fair amount of regularity to it. The processes tell you what to do. Here we will do requirements, here we will do architecture, here we will do testing. So they tell you what they do, and they're broadly the same for each job. Principles guide you about how to implement those processes. They guide the choice of practice suited to the context. So we're answering why, what is it we need to do, how we get it done, and what should do it. So how, why, and what. An example of a process is the quality management process itself. And this is taken from ISO 15288 or 12207, they're both pretty much the same. And the process is the quality management process. The purpose of this is to assure that products, services, and implementations of lifecycle processes meet organizational quality objectives and achieve customer satisfaction. Well, so far as customer satisfaction is concerned, if you're doing some processes that is deep in the heart of the development process, you're probably not very concerned about customer satisfaction directly. Indirectly, yes, but not directly. Outcomes: as a result of successful implementation of the quality management process, the organizational quality management policies and procedures are defined. All right. Quality objectives are defined, accountability and authority for quality management are defined, the status of customer satisfaction is monitored, and appropriate action is taken when quality objectives are not achieved. Now that's straight out of ISO 9001. The activities, well, you have to define the quality policy, define the organizational quality procedures, set quality objectives, establish criteria for accountability, and assess achievement of the quality objectives. About what you expect.